let's look at this question. But before we look at this question, I would love to introduce myself once again for those that might be seeing my videos for the very first time. I'm Kenny Wealth by name. I'm the founder, privileged to be the founder of Sure Success Tutorial Academy. What we do here is that we turn struggles, those that are struggling with any subject, any difficulty, math, physics, in any area of their subject education, we turn students from struggles to success. That's what we do. That's our aim. So make sure that every of your problems or every of your difficulty, be it calculation, every subject that is giving you issues, what we do is that we make them very, very simple. We break them down in a way that you understand. And I am privileged to be your tutor. So you can call me Tutor Kenny, or the name of the brand is Sure Success Tutorial Academy. So feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Sure Success Tutorial Academy. Subscribe, like our videos, share our videos, and this means a whole lot to us. Thank you very much. So let's go back to the question. The bearing of x from y is what? 104 degrees. What is the bearing of y from x? So don't forget, on your 4 cardinal points, I believe you remember your 4 cardinal points. Here's your what? North. Here's your what? Your south. Here's your what? East. And here's your what? Here's your west. Is somebody following me? So don't forget, from here to here is 90, from here to here is 180, 270, and what? 360. I want to get 104 degrees. Take note, this is not it is not perfect. Yes, let me just put it, it's not accurate. You just get our 104 degrees. So I told you from here to here is 90. So I want to get 104. So it will just be somewhere around here. Draw out your line. The bearing of x from y. Of x from y. So let's call this y. Let's call this y. So I'll draw my 4 cardinal point around here as well. Don't forget your north, your south, your east, and your what? And your west. So the bearing of x from y is 104 degrees. So the whole of this part is what? 104 degrees. So what will now be the bearing of y from where? From x. The bearing of y from x. To get the bearing of y from x, first of all, we know that here is 90 degrees. We need to know this particular what? This particular angle. And for us to get that, all we just have to do is what? 104 degrees minus what? 90. So let's do it somewhere around there. 104 minus 90. This is what? 4. And this gives us what? 1 rather. So I have what? 14 degrees. So if there is 14 degrees, there's also what? There's also 14 degrees. Am I talking to somebody? So if there's 14 degrees now, what will now be the bearing of y from x? All we have to do is to sum up the angles here. I told you here's 90, 180, 270. So 270 plus 14. So let's add that 270 plus 14. That gave me what? 284. So come here, the bearing of y from x is what? Is 284